it's Bethany. Welcome to today's video. So today I am planning out Monday, September 14th through Sunday, September 20th in my Plum Paper hourly planner. I'm really excited for this one because I feel like the past couple weeks have been a little rough with the actual plan with me's. I'll show you what these spreads look like ending up in the end. So here is the first week in this planner, and this is the one where I did film the plan with me, but I kind of pitched a hissy fit at the end and more or less stormed off because I just didn't like it. In the end, I actually did enjoy it. I thought it turned out pretty cute. I just had to kind of fill everything else in, but I've noticed that I don't really like it when I use all of the colors in the rainbow in a spread. Generally, I kind of like sticking to a couple colors and a kit if possible. So this one was cute in the end, but at first I didn't like it. So this was, again, first spread in this particular planner. Here is last week. So again, I was out of town, and so that made for a weird plan with me in that I kind of just took pictures of it from the top down shot and laid out the general basics. Don't like that style, won't be doing it very often, but that was last week's. And I kind of realized that I continue to sticker and even decorate and set up my planner as I go throughout the week. And I haven't been doing a good job showing you guys what it looks like after the week is done. So I'm actually filming this one on Friday afternoon. So I'm not sure what movie we're watching here. We'll fill in a couple other things there, but this is how this week turned out all in all. And I think it was pretty cute. I actually had Thursday and Friday as a couple days to focus on some errands and some self-care, so that was really nice. And then tomorrow is a busy-ish weekend in the morning, but then lots of time for just kind of like catching up and getting some extra things done around the house, cleaning up laundry, that kind of stuff. So this was this week in this planner, and then here we are to this week. So this week I'm hoping will be much more successful than the past couple weeks. Okay, so for today I printed off this sticker sheet from KM Stickers on Etsy. This kit is actually free on her site. So if you want to just try out some stickers, if you have a silhouette or Cricut, something like that, and you wanted to try printing and doing your own stickers, this is a great way to try it out because, like I said, I think this one was actually free. So that's a really cool deal. So I'm going to try out this kit page for this week, and it is meant to fit the planner that I have. I also have some workout stickers. So most of these are printed off from, again, KM Stickers. These I purchased, as well as these habit tracker stickers. And we've also got just some regular boxes, appointment labels, and then these weekend stickers I got from Caffeinated Kate. So probably will just need one of these, not all of them, but again, it's a whole sheet. So that's what's really nice about printing your own stickers, is it's really cost effective because you can continue to print them as many times as you need to, which I plan to do with those labels for sure. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start by setting up the washi and probably put in workouts, and then also the sidebar area, maybe even go with thinners, but kind of just go around the outskirts of the planner. And then, like I said, probably just put in workouts since that's something that's on my mind. And it's kind of in the matching stickers as well when I have those workout sticker labels. So, all right, let's get to it. Okay, so I've got the basic, again, like the structure and the workouts in for my week. I've started putting it in these black lines to kind of mark the end of my work day. And I would mark the beginning as well, except for the beginning is going to be right at 7 o'clock on each day here, and then right at 8 o'clock when I'm done with my workout on each day, Thursday, Friday. So I think this is looking pretty cute, liking this way better than a couple of weeks ago, that's for sure. So from here, I think what I'm gonna do is next put in the routine stuff, just like meal planning, laundry, trash days, stuff like that. This week is the kids' first day of school. So Monday, technically this past Tuesday was their first day, the Tuesday after Labor Day, but they haven't really started any learning. So for me, I think the first day of school actually counts as Monday. So they've got that going on as well. All right, so I'm gonna start filling in with some of those routine things before I go in with all the labels and the busy stuff for the rest of the week. All right, so here's all the routine stuff that usually happens, everything from meal planning to laundry, podcasts, etc. So next what I'm gonna do is go in and add in all of the things that I have for the work week. I'm hoping these stickers work a little better. I didn't cut very well. I'll show you here, hang on. All right, this is what it looked like getting those other labels off. It was kind of messy, so I'm hoping that these cut a little bit better in order to, looks like maybe, I don't know, this one's kind of coming up, but we'll see. We'll see. So gonna get the rest of, like I said, the work stuff down, but this is coming together. I kind of started with, including the navy as well, and now I'm mostly just doing purple. So this is looking pretty cool. What I've been doing is I've been putting lines coming down on the right hand side for however long the thing is. And it's working out really nicely because this planner is so large that this is plenty of space to still write in like checklist items if I need to remember something for that session. And again, I might put checklist stuff in here, even though I'm doing something else. It doesn't mean that necessarily that's happening at that time. It's just a checklist item that I have to get done that day. So I'll fill it in as I go, but it's been really nice to see like the kind of the timeline of when everything is ending. So even like this black line, for me, like black lines kind of indicate timelines right now, like ending times, if that makes sense. I don't know, it's been working out. So I'm liking this quite a bit. Next, I just want to put in some different icons and things to make it cute. And then this is just about there, but I'm really, really enjoying this planner. The large size has definitely given me a lot of room to write and to function, and it has been working out really well for me. So I'm gonna go in with a couple, like I said, icons here. All of these so far, the script stickers are Pitbull Mom Plans. This icon is, and so is this one. Let's see, trash and recycle. I think I also have Pitbull Mom Plans for those. In other news, our dog Phoebe had surgery on Tuesday, and she is not doing great. She's doing okay, but definitely in a lot of pain. She's sitting right next to me right now. Thank goodness she has not been trying to itch at anything or hasn't been whining too loudly while I film this. She's being a good girl, but it's been pretty rough on her the past few days recovering. And a big thank you to everyone who has reached out about her on Instagram. It's been really nice. Oh gosh, record podcast is not a laundry basket. But yeah, she's gonna be okay. It was ACL surgery and everything went really well with it. She's just got to get through this recovery now. And it's doing okay. It's actually cute. The boys have been helping with her like physical therapy and stuff. So that's been really cute to see them pitching in and helping out with that. All right, so laundry baskets were Simply Smith stickers, as is this little headset here for podcast recording. Let's see, what else do I have stickers for? Oh, I could put in dumbbells for these workouts. That would be fun. All right, these dumbbells by Pitbull Mom Plans are some of my favorite little stickers. And again, if you use Bethany10 at Pitbull Mom Plans, you can get 10% off, and also my custom freebie, which is really cool. It's got some of these dumbbells and some other stuff you see here. So that's always fun if you're looking to do some sticker shopping. Yeah, let's put this up here. And another one. So this extreme class that I'm going to on Monday is at our other gym we belong to, like our big box gym. And I have never done it. I'm a little bit nervous to try it out, but I've noticed that I do better with classes. And so I'm going to try this one and see how it goes. You do have to register ahead of time. So for me, that's always really good for accountability. If I register for it, I'm way more likely to go than if I don't. And also I have noticed that I just like having a led class that, you know, is with an instructor taking you through something, and having other people around is extra motivating as well. So hopefully that will go well. Keep you posted there. And also other stickers that I've been really loving lately are these Mixie Cat stuff. They're just little cats doing the craziest fun stuff. This one is just for makeup brush cleaning, which I think is so freaking adorable. So for, let's see, takeout night, I'm gonna do one of these little, not fast food, let's do the pizza one. Probably do for some pizza fast food. Yeah, here we go. Takeout, and then got another one for tacos. There we are. All right, so I think this has come together pretty well. I can't think of anything else I want to add in right now. I know that I will be adding in things as, you know, as the days go by, but this is looking really nice, and I'm really excited to fill this in the rest of the way this week. It's always nice to have a fresh week, fresh spread to get through. This has been really great. Hopefully kids' first day of school will go well and everything will be good to go there. But yeah, that's it for this week. So hope you are having an awesome week, awesome day, and we will chat soon. Bye guys.